Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can trace an image in Canva. Now, let me be clear, tracing is not a feature that is available in Canva. It is very common in Photoshop, but not is available in Canva, at least not at the moment. But we are going to be using a third-party app that is available in the platform, and then we can essentially trace any image with the help of that tool. So here's how you can do that. First, you want to insert a picture. You can use any picture. It could be a picture from the upload section. You could also a picture from the element section where you got millions of different pictures from the stock library in Canva. In this case, I'm going to be using this picture. I think this is good enough. At least the background is something that I'm going to remove first. But let me increase the size first, and now I'm going to remove the background. This is usually an important step because you want to isolate the object with the subject in the picture. In this case, the face of this woman is more important than the background. That's why I remove it, because this is going to be very important for the tracing for the tracer setting later. Anyway, now that I got this picture clean, let's go to the app section, and then you want to search for tracer. Click on this tool. This is the one that we are going to be using, and click open. Now we just need to wait until it is loaded, and yeah, now make sure to select the picture, and let's click trace selected image. Now we just need to wait until it finishes, and if you have an empty background, it's usually going to be a lot quicker. So basically, the more elements you have in the picture, the longer it would take. But generally speaking, if you have a clean picture, this should take less than 30 seconds to finish. Oh, okay, it's done. Now this is the setting that I got, and of course I can make it lower, I can make it higher. It really depends on the picture, and every picture will be different, so you have to play around with the threshold manually and see which one is actually going to deliver the best looking picture. In this case, lowering the threshold is not a good idea, so I'm going to increase it back to maybe around 175, and hopefully I'll get a much better picture. Now I just need to wait, and this is probably the most annoying part. I really have to wait, and there's nothing else I can do. Okay, 175 is a bit too much in my opinion, so let's lower it back to around 150. And yeah, I think the contrast here is very important. You want to make sure that every detail is preserved. Maybe some detail will be lost, but at least you want to make sure the image is as recognizable as possible. All right, I think this is good enough, so I'm going to click add to design, and we're going to get the copy of the picture. Now I'm going to, let's say I'm going to duplicate this page. Now let's remove this picture, and let's use this picture instead. And yeah, I think this is good enough. You can do a lot of things here. You can, for example, change the background to a different color, because now there is only one color for this picture. There's only black color, and the rest is basically transparent. And I think it's going to create a really cool effect similar to duotone, but in my opinion, it's way more artistic. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can create that's how you can trace a picture in Canva.